There are so many ways you can prepare that delicious soft cake, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you another one. Trust me, you'll fall in love with this. It was very simple, easy, quick to put together, but the result was awesome. This was absolutely soft, fluffy, and delicious. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my quarter cup of sugar. I'm going to add my eggs and I'll be adding it to it one by one. My returning subscribers, thank you for making it today too. I am so grateful that always you come here to watch my videos. May God bless you. Now I've added the second egg and I'll be adding the third one. Then we can proceed. When preparing cake, I don't actually mind where to start from, okay? I mean, the end result matters. I've added the fourth egg, and in this recipe, we will be using 4 eggs. Now, I have 3 tablespoons of butter. I have melted it very well. You can as well use margarine if that is what you want. I've added that to ingredients, and I'll go ahead and then mix it very well so the sugar dissolves or melts. Okay, yes, so the end result of the cake matters, not how you start, but you can actually do it the way or start the way you always do. Okay, but if you make it this way, you as well get that perfect outcome you are looking for. In this recipe, we'll be using 1.5 cups of milk. Now I will be adding it to it bit by bit. Okay, so mix it very well, and we will be using 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 2.5 cups because the cup I'm holding is 2 cups. Okay, you can see it, but it was more than where the 2 cups level is, so that is why I said 2.5 cups. Make sure you sieve it very well to avoid that lumpy butter we are looking for. So I have sieved that, and I'll go ahead, give it a mix, and then we continue adding our other ingredients before I add another or the rest of the flour. Okay, I'll be adding it to it bit by bit. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. If you want short videos, follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts. Okay, yes, you will love it there. If you've watched me till this point, kindly like the video because it means you like it. Like it, share to others, and then leave me your comments in the comment section. I've added a tablespoon of baking powder. Make sure you sieve that as well, and then we can proceed. You see those things? If I had not sieved it, they would have been in there and they will come out very lumpy. That is why you always have to sieve it. That is just by the way. We will go ahead and then mix everything so it becomes uniform before we proceed by adding any other thing. This cake was absolutely delicious. That is why I decided to share with you. My returning subscribers, thank you so much once again. I am so grateful. I've added another batch of milk, and I will go ahead and then mix everything perfect before we proceed. We have another channel on YouTube, and the name is Recipe Goddess. Kindly follow us there. We use the local dialect to share the recipes, and it is not the same video we post there. Okay, I've added my vanilla. If you know me very well, you know I love vanilla and cinnamon, so I've added vanilla, and our butter looks very creamy and very smooth as well. Okay, it doesn't look lumpy. Now I'm going to add the rest of the milk, and then we can proceed by adding any other ingredients we want to add. Let me know in the comment section how you also prepare your cake, and if you have any suggestion for me, let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy. Okay. Now we have mixed everything very well, and this is how it looks. You can see it is very, very, very smooth. As I talk to you right now, I've set my oven at 350 Fahrenheit and it has preheated. Okay, for 7 minutes. We are waiting for it to get to 10 minutes before I put the cake in there, and just look at that, so soft, so smooth, and trust me, I can't wait to show you the outcome. I'll pour it in my cake pan. Use any cake pan that you want, but I decided to use this. Okay, so put it in there, and then just as I'm doing on the screen, do that, and then put this in the oven. It is ready. Just look at that. It looks absolutely delicious and very, very inviting. We will just remove this from the pan and then show you how soft outcome we got. Try this recipe and trust me, you will fall in love with it. See that? So soft, fluffy, and this was so nice. Any other ingredients that we use, I mean all the ingredients that we use, if you want to increase it, you can go ahead and do so, but trust me, if you use the same measurements, you will love it. Okay, especially with the sugar, please, you can just increase it small because this wasn't sugary and we don't want it sugary. That is why we did it like that. If you want to use only butter instead of melting it, you can go ahead and do so, and you can go through our videos to see our other cake recipes, which I know you'll fall in love with them. Just look at that, very soft and fluffy. Thank you once again for watching from the beginning till this point. I'm so grateful. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to try this, and I'll be very happy to get the feedback. Cut this, keep it in your Ziploc or in your container, keep it in the fridge, and trust me, whenever the kids want something, you just microwave some for 30 seconds and then you give it to them so that you can also have your peace of mind. Okay, it is not all the time that you have to go to the kitchen and then do something. I mean, I'm not saying you should have this as dinner, or no, maybe if they want something quick, just give it to them. Thank you. I will see you in the next video, and you can't afford to miss it. Thank you so much and have a lovely day or evening. Bye bye.